Aloha everyone! Today I'm recreating this signature dish of Giovanni Shrimp Truck, their famous shrimp scampi. A must try in Oahu's North Shore because it's really good. Reminiscing our trip last 2012, oh, Hawaii is really beautiful. Let's get started! First, let's marinate the shrimp. Let's add a tablespoon of minced garlic and a teaspoon of paprika, olive oil, and a squeeze of lemon. And let's mix this. Some salt. Let's dredge the shrimps. Shake excess cornstarch. And now let's pan fry the shrimps. This is 3 minutes. Now let's turn the shrimps over. And this time let's just cook this side for 2 minutes. Take out the fluid. Look at this. Ooh. Actually, I can eat like this already. Oh wow, this smells delicious. This smells so good. Now let's set this aside. Let's put some olive oil and let's add the butter. This is 5 tablespoons of butter. Let's add the minced garlic and let's cook this on low heat. This is perfect. Look how golden brown the garlic is. Now let's add some paprika. Alright. And a squeeze of lemon. Ooh. Here. Ooh la la, look at that. Nice and bubbly. And the oil that we used to fry the shrimps earlier, put it in. Some deliciousness from the shrimp. This is so good. And let's add the shrimps. Coat with a delicious garlic butter lemon sauce. And this is done. Wow, look at this deliciousness. And now let's try our garlic shrimp scampi. Squeeze a lemon on it. Look at this, guys. How good is that? It's so garlicky, so delicious butter lemony sauce. Wow. Brings back great memories from the North Shore. Give this recipe a try, guys. I'm sure you will love it.